Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use saved sections on your Squarespace website to save you time. So if you're building out your website and you've styled yourself a section that you really like the look of and you know you want it to appear on several pages on your website, this is a great time-saving hack. If you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Be sure to grab your copy today if you're building out a Squarespace website, because it gives you all the back-end steps that you need to take before you launch. So if you want to save a section from one page and reuse it again on another page to save yourself building it out again, there's a really easy way to do it. So you first just need to click on Edit. And I'm here on my home page and I'm just going to locate the section that I want to reuse. So I've got this section here which encourages people to sign up to my email list, and I want this to appear on other pages through my website as well, but I don't really want to rebuild it again because I'm not going to add anything different to it. So you just need to locate the section and then hover over the section, and just here on the right hand side, see this little heart here? If you click that, you'll have the option to save this section to your site or to your account. So if you have multiple websites in your Squarespace account and you like how you've styled this out, you could save that to your account and use it on other websites if you wanted to. But for today, I'm just going to save it to this site. So that's it saved. And then I can come out of here, come out of the edit mode for this page. And I'm going to navigate over to the page that I now want to add my saved section to. So I want to add it to my services page here. And I'm going to click Edit again and just scroll down towards the bottom. So after all my service descriptions, I've got my FAQs, and I want to add a new section just here under my FAQs to encourage people to sign up to my email list. So I'm going to click here where it says Add Section. And I've got some options here that come up. I can add a blank section or I can add a saved section. So this is the bit that I need to go into. And you can see I've already got another couple of sections that I've saved for this website, but this is the one that I want to add. It's the newsletter sections. So I'm just going to double click on this section and that adds it to my website over here. Now, the problem I've got here is the background color for this section is the same as the section above it, the FAQs, and I do want them to look like separate sections. So I'm just going to do a little bit of styling on this new section that I've added. So I'm going to edit the section and I'm just going to change the background color just so it stands out from what we've got above it. So I've clicked over to the colors tab and let's click on this light one so it has a pale pink background, and that looks great to me. So I haven't had to do an awful lot of changing. I haven't had to add blocks and drag them and resize them and move them. I've simply just changed the color, but other than that, it is essentially the same section. So that's it for using saved sections on your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any other Squarespace tutorials. There's a link to my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. Be sure to grab your copy of that today. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.